guys? Welcome to today's problem of the day brought to you by Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Happy tastes good. All right, guys, let's take a look at today's problem. This is a funny episode, guys. It's called Little Bo Pink, I think. Anyways, guys, the problem is the Pink Panther's sheep ate an area of the cowboy's grass that was 12 feet long by 8 feet wide. How many square feet of grass did his sheep eat? All right, guys, you know what time it is. It is time to pause the video here so you can solve it. And once you finish solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I will go over the answers for you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over the answer to this problem. Now, guys, you should see here there's a couple of clues. This is actually an area problem, guys. It's an area problem. So let's go ahead and get out our sketchbook here and start to draw a picture to help us here. So the sheep ate some grass, and it sounds like the dimensions are a rectangle. All right, that's not a perfect rectangle, but it's going to be okay for the purpose of this drawing. Well, no, it's not, guys, actually. Let me go ahead and redo this. It's going to bug me too much, guys. So hold on one second here. Let's make a nicer rectangle here. A lot of times that's what happens with students, too. They have to redo stuff, because it's a little too sloppy. So, and there we go. Let's draw another line here. All right, guys, that looks a lot better. Is it perfect? No, but it'll do the trick. Now, the Pink Panther's sheep ate an area of grass, and it was 12 feet long, guys. And it was 8 feet wide. So, if I look at my picture here, this side here is going to be the longer side, right, from here to here. That's going to be the length. So I'm gonna label that 12 feet. That's the length here. And I'm going to put the abbreviation for feet, FT, guys, FT there for feet, all right? And the other one it said was 8 feet wide. So from here to here, guys, it's 8 feet, all right? All right, so let's get cracking then with how to solve this. If you remember from the word problem wizards we did the other day, guys, we had an area problem there where Snoopy was putting grass into his football pitch, which means a soccer field. And the formula for area, A is for area, so I'm getting you guys to think algebraically here. A equals, and I have L, the letter L, which stands for length, times width. W stands for width, guys. So area equals length times width. That's what this says right here, guys. So If you start writing out formulas like this, guys, I'm going to be a very happy teacher. All right, so what I want to figure out, guys, is how many little squares does it take of feet to fill this up? And the way I do that is multiplying 12 times 8. Now, here is the tricky part, guys. So if I plug in my formula, the area is 12 times 8. Now, this is kind of a tricky multiplication problem, guys. We have some big numbers here. But what I can actually do is I can actually use the doubling strategy. So instead of multiplying 12 times 8, I can do 6 times 8 and double the product. All right, it's going to give me the same answer. So I'm actually going to do that down here. Let's go ahead and try that. So 12 times 8 is actually the same thing as 4 times 8. I'm sorry, 6, because half of 12 is 6. So 6 times 8 plus 6 times 8. All right. All right, guys. The next step then is to multiply 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And if I double that, this is going to be 48 as well, so I can add those together. And I have 48 plus 48. All right, guys, so we're almost done here. Let's do this adding now. 8 plus 8 is 16. Put a 6 there. And I have 4 plus 4 is 8, plus my 1 extra there is 9. And I remember I am dealing with feet here, guys. So feet, and not just any kind of feet, guys, but an area. We're trying to figure out how many little squares it takes to fill it up. How many square feet of grass did his little sheep eat? 96 feet squared, guys. So how many square feet did his sheep eat? 96 square feet, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's problem of the day. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting episode. We'll see you then.